Hi friends, this video shows how to change time zone in PS5. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system. Under system select date and time. So here we can see time zone. Select time zone. You can see the current time zone is Calcutta. So I'm going to change that to Karachi. Select Karachi. Done. So this way we can change time zone. So let me go back to Calcutta. Done. So this way we can change time zone. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.